Angol ngangkapat amadi sekmaijing dalaiba maitai panggal amadi maitai ichil naw singa punak kusamnaduna mairagi rally chatkri Hangul Social Youth Action Committee ngakapat Youth Action Committee amadi AMWGI Hangul Muslim Youth Committee loinana sekmaijing apunba maira paibi kusamnaraga pangtokiba mairagi rally adu hadakta nauna tronglawbida tamthiraba kukitar narco terrorist ki bomb gi attack da pikliba angang ani hat kiba amadi Miyoi ahum CRPF ki ka henba thongda kapthorokpa nongmai maruna panduna laikidaba amadi litan gi ka henba kuki gi mi hat mitpun gi ambusta naga ichil inaw ani hat kiba aduga mari leinana chatkibani rally aduda ekho shanti pami go back central force kuki narco terrorist maru fangna muthat kedabani long live manipur angang ani butam thina hat kiba miyoi sing athubada laingangna chapchaba dandi pigedabani police amadi central force singi ka henba thong khudakte lepu Micham miyambu otpa naibelepu haiba slogan kaya sulauki.
April ki tang tareta torong laubida thokiba thodok asida mamaga punna tumliba tha manga khatangai ba aduga iroinana chahi manga gi nupi macha ama aduga loinana magi mama du basu idiot tawon base aikoi yaningde masigi achauba slogan ni ngasi aikoina manipur da wariba manipur da tongan da element terrorist attack tawbase akhoi yaningde aduna maram oiraga ngasi press meet asigi kuthangda haijabase akhoi gi sida organize tawriba club ahum amadi lairiba maira paibi tongan ba singmajin gi area da lairiba aduga jametulolima naida club hasiako haichemwaichi amadi local leader singi ima ibel punamak yauraga tawriba press meet asigi slogan maira gi rally ase akhoi government na athuba matamda hariba angang hatpa miyam khangna dandi pigadabane lairiba thokriba micham civilian ahum hatkhiba se akhoi yaningde makhoi bu miyam khangna dandi pigadabane habese akhoi manipur yoina achauba sound amakhatang ni masi government na tabiyu habese akhoi miyam punamakta akhoi request tawjari aduga loinana government asina sumain tawdana makhata na mayam sibu namsallaga mayam sibu thaidoaga yagani haibagi matam loikhre chahi ahum sure chahi ahum dagi hentok laga ngasi mak 5 days continuous shutdown torise government gi mana da suta ta de masi ai koi yaning de aduna maram ora kanda ai koi india government na so ai koi bo manipur se koi india government gi manung da chande have se they think that we are not the part of this country. This is very ultimate things that we are not happy in this country. If these things are continue like this, we will think another way to do the things to separate from this place. It is very hard words that what I'm using is very hard, but it is very true that if these things are happening in other parts of the India, they would not have silence for so long. It's been 3 years. We have been burning, many innocent people died. Recently, 2 kids.
Maralay busimba atho matam da dandi. Dandi pibida miyam khangna dandi.